Good morning. You're here with Scotty and I.
Good morning, sir. How are you? Hope everything's going well.
So, tire conversation. This is obviously your car. It was 195, 75 R14s.
So if you look, that's what you see in your wheel well. So we're going to pause this real quick and show you what it's supposed to look like on another car that's the exact same as yours.
Yes. Now we're going to go out to Jordan's 66 Mustang, who has the correct tire size on his car, and you'll see the difference, or there's really not much difference. So we will go over there and discuss that, and then we'll have a little discussion on tire size. Just real quick, that's the tread width on your car with a 195, which actually is too narrow for the car. All right, sorry for the interruption. Back to Jordan. So now we're over here at Jordan's 66.
And this can all be yours if... Well, yeah, you know.
Oh, Scotty's being ridiculous this morning, as per usual.
So, 215, 70 R14. As you can tell, there's no major difference in the appearance of how the car sits.
The ride height is basically the same. And the wheel well is actually filled out better.
Right. Now,
the other thing is because your car has the 195s on it, your speedometer is probably way off.
Yeah.
So
it's not the proper tire size.
So going with the proper size, which, as you can see, it has the same white wall, and that's actually pretty similar to the one I got picked out for you as well. Just a different manufacturer, but there it is. Let me show you the width on this one real quick. Oh, more meat on the ground. Car will definitely handle better. Oh yeah, we have another Mustang here. Look, it was 65 too. All kinds of stuff. Sorry, I got sidetracked. But that's the width of a 215 as opposed to the 195. So it's a skosh taller, a skosh wider, and it'll actually just fill out the wheel well much better.